everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day or already had a great day today. For this video, I'm gonna do a part 2 of my Stranger Things. Excuse me, let me just try it again. My leading men of Stranger Things inspired eye looks. So in this time around, I'm gonna do the two older guys from Stranger Things, the two older leading men of Stranger Things. One is more of a leading man than the other one, but I'll get into that later on as I talk. Okay, so I'm gonna do it this time on Steve and Jonathan. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with Steve. So unfortunately he doesn't have any colors in this Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. However, let's see. Okay, so in this look, I've got to incorporate like Nancy, Dustin, Dingus is Robin's name for him, and USS Butterscotch. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, I have an idea what to do. So I'm going to put the main eyeshadow named after him, according to Robin. I'm going to put Dingus on my lid. With this gorgeous bright yellow eyeshadow. Let me try it a little bit more. I'm not putting any primer, but it's well pigmented even without a primer. Awesome. Okay, so let's see. That's okay. I'm trying to think of anything else. How am I gonna do this one? Oh fudge. Okay. 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 Try not to panic. I'll put USS Butterscotch, as a highlighter color. I'm just gonna wing it. I know that Joe Keery's did not scare me when I was in the Stranger Things maze. However, it's really cool that unfortunately in person I didn't take a good look at the actor who plays Steve, who scared me in the Stranger Things 4 house. So okay, I think that's gonna be it for this palette. Now I gotta figure out a way to fit Dustin and Nancy. Okay, so yeah, so what happened was that I screamed at Vecna in this, who was like not hanging out, but he was out of his window, curtain, whatever, and then this is Dustin, by the way, from the Stranger Things palette. It's okay. As long as it's dark in this area for the dust and shade, I'm happy. Anyways, after I yelled at Vecna, "You killed Chrissy, you bastard!" Right in front of him, I heard this. I just saw Steve in the corner of my eye, and he scared me. And I was so happy about that because he's really cute. And then when I saw the actor who played him in the house, I was really happy that that guy scared me. The actor who played Joe Keery's character is just as gorgeous as Joe himself. So it's all good. Made my night at Halloween Horror Nights in Universal Studios Hollywood. And I'm trying to think anything else. Oh yeah, I might as well look at. I'm thinking about putting a Krill House. Yeah, I must put that in there. Yeah, I think he got attacked by a bat too. Steve. So after the maze was over, after the maze was over, or the hell, after the maze was over, there's these two. One of these young ladies turned to me and said, "Oh, that was Steve, the one who scared me." So I was so happy about that. Yeah, because when I saw the video, I was pissed that I didn't get a good look at the guy. My friend saw him. She was like behind my sister, and my sister was behind me. I'm gonna put Demo Bat in the inner corner. So my friend, I was asking my friend if she got a good look at the guy, at Steve, and she said, yeah, he's cute. But he was really quick. I saw him in the corner of my eye, and the next thing you know, nobody's there in the room with me, with us, all of us in that one part with Vecna and then Steve. And then the next thing you know, I look in the corner of the room, there's a statue of Robin tied up with these vines against the corner of the room. So this is the Steve inspired look. My new Stranger Things crush. Okay, and one more look. So it's gonna be Jonathan. Okay. Oh shoot! Dang it! I forgot one more thing. They must have Nancy in the both eye looks. I'm trying to think. Oh god. You know what? Fudge. I messed up. It's okay. You know what? I think I'm just gonna wing it. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this crease brush, put Nancy from the Stranger Things palette, and I'm just gonna put it in the inner upper corner of my eye, like this. So okay, then now I'm done with Steve's inspired look. Right, so next up is Jonathan. I've got to figure out. Okay, so Jonathan is this yellow color. There's Nancy's silver color. I'm trying to think other things that I need to do. So I'll put Jonathan, Will, Nancy, and his mom. Yeah. Oh my god, whoa. I better rethink this one. Okay. So pizza. Because his friend is Argyle. Yeah, I'm gonna skip the Surfer Boy pizza because yeah, I know it's been a first one. Jonathan, Nancy, Will, and the mom. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. So I'm gonna start off with all right. Here we go. All right. Here's Jonathan. I'll put him on my lid. Jonathan's in the Stranger Things palette. Okay, nice yellow color. Good payoff, thank God. Even without a primer. There you go. All right. So, yeah, here's Will. Got to figure out how to do Will on the... Okay. I will do... And I Will's like, oh, jeez. Really? If I do an outer corner. If I remembered my... I have a wet makeup eraser, so maybe that ought to help me. The pigment can pop out a little bit more. A little bit. Ooh, cold today. Okay. Oh well. Oh well. Oh, it's showing up a little bit more with the yeah, just wing it. Okay. Let's put in the outer crease and outer V and then outer crease. Yeah, that's better. And then I'm trying to think. Okay, Nancy. Guess I'll put Nancy in my... Ooh, too much. Ooh. Okay. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna wing it. I'll put the leftover down here. See what I'm doing? With this fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I feel like I put too much. Oh well. And then one more last thing I'm gonna do. Yeah, I feel like putting his Mama Joyce's, oops, I have to go back to the palette. I'm gonna put Joyce, I'm gonna put Joyce on the 3/4 of the lower lash line. Yeah, I know that this season, because he made friends with that guy Argyle. Yeah, he became a pothead. I mean, talking about Jonathan, once he came to California, met up with, befriended Argyle, really cool guy. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm going to change my mind. Well, I'm going to leave Nancy. You can barely see her. So I'm going to put Surfer Boy Pizza in honor of Argyle, his best friend in California. And put him in the inner corner instead. Oh, that's bright. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so it's Nancy, Will, Jonathan, Meldov's general store, and then Surfer Boy Pizza, and that's it. Those are oh, I forgot. These are Jonathan's. I mean Jonathan. These are Nancy's guys. Huh. Okay. Steve and Jonathan. Um, Anything else? No, that's about it that I can think of. All right, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out, bye, and good night.